Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best balance bikes that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're shopping for your little one's first bike or looking to upgrade, we've got you covered. All product links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Let's dive into the countdown. At number 5, we have the Sereed Baby Balance Bike. This is designed for the youngest riders with a recommended age range of 12 to 24 months. It's a perfect first bike to introduce toddlers to riding while developing their balance and coordination. The lightweight frame, weighing just 3.5 pounds, makes it easy for kids to handle and for parents to carry. The closed wheels ensure safety by preventing little feet from getting caught, and the 135-degree turning limit minimizes the risk of tipping over. When it comes to design, the Sereed bike is built with an aluminum alloy frame and soft TPU handles that are easy for little hands to grip. The seat is comfortable and supportive, and the non-slip wheels work well on both indoor and outdoor surfaces. Its minimalist design is both sturdy and visually appealing, making it an excellent gift for a baby's first birthday. However, it's worth noting that the smaller 6.7-inch wheels and limited height adjustment mean this bike is best suited for very young toddlers. The Sereed is a safe and durable choice for babies just starting out, but it may not grow with your child as long as other options on this list. If you're looking for a bike to ease your 1-year-old into riding, this is a solid pick. Next up, at number 4, is the Ganfani Colorful Lighting Baby Balance Bike. This bike is all about fun and creativity, featuring colorful LED lights on the rear wheels that light up as your child rides. No batteries or charging required. It's designed for kids aged 10 to 36 months and is an excellent way to make riding exciting while developing balance and coordination. The Ganfani bike is built with a sturdy carbon steel frame, soft EVA handles, and a PU seat for comfort during extended play. The fully enclosed wheels and 135-degree steering limit ensure safety, making it suitable for toddlers just learning to ride. It's also lightweight at just 4.6 pounds, allowing even the youngest riders to maneuver it easily. Assembly is a breeze thanks to its tool-free design, which lets you set it up in under 3 minutes. The standout feature here is definitely the glowing wheels, which are a hit with kids. But the smaller frame and limited adjustability might make it less suitable for older toddlers. For parents looking for a fun, engaging, and safe balance bike for younger children, especially as a gift, the Ganfani is a fantastic choice. At number 3, we have the Metbell Toddler Balance Bike, a versatile option designed for kids aged 2 to 5 years. This bike is all about adaptability, with a tool-free adjustable seat that grows with your child, ranging from 12 to 16 inches in height. The lightweight, durable alloy steel frame, weighing just 7.7 pounds, makes it easy to handle for kids while being sturdy enough for both indoor and outdoor use. The Metbell bike is designed to mimic a real bicycle with its 2-wheel setup, encouraging kids to develop true balance and coordination skills that will make the transition to a pedal bike seamless. Safety features include non-slip grips, limited 135-degree steering, and airless EVA tires that provide reliable traction on a variety of surfaces. The clean, modern design and high-quality materials make it a reliable choice for active toddlers. While the Metbell lacks some of the fun extras like customizable plates or glowing wheels, it excels in providing a realistic riding experience. It's a great choice for parents looking for a durable, long-lasting balance bike that supports physical development and is suitable for children across a wide age range. Coming in at number 2 is the Youthkey Toddler Balance Bike, a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality. Priced at just $34.99, this bike is designed for kids aged 2 to 5 years and features a tool-free adjustable seat, allowing it to grow with your child. The vibrant colors and sleek design make it visually appealing, while its ergonomic frame promotes a natural riding posture. The Youthkey bike is built for durability, with a sturdy aluminum frame that can withstand up to 110 pounds. Safety is a priority, with non-slip handlebar grips, a padded seat, and puncture-resistant tires that ensure stability on a variety of terrains. It's also lightweight, making it easy for kids to maneuver and for parents to carry when needed. Assembly is quick and hassle-free, which is always a plus for busy families. While it may not have the premium feel of higher-priced models, the Youth Key offers exceptional value for its price point. It's an excellent choice for parents on a budget who still want a reliable, well-designed balance bike for their toddlers. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Toddler balance bike. This premium balance bike is designed for kids aged 2 to 5 years and offers a combination of durability, safety, and fun features. The customizable nameplate, complete with 3 sets of stickers, allows kids to make the bike their own, adding a personal touch to their riding experience. The Crito features a tough carbon steel frame that can support up to 110 pounds, making it one of the most durable options on the market. The extra-thick all-terrain tires provide excellent stability on grass, sidewalks, and other surfaces, while the adjustable seat and handlebars ensure a comfortable fit as your child grows. Safety is a key focus, with soft rubber grip handlebars, a padded PU seat, and puncture-resistant tires. Though it's the most expensive option on this list at $59.99, the Crito delivers on quality and versatility. It's perfect for parents who want a high-end bike that will last for years and provide their children with a safe yet enjoyable riding experience. If you're looking for the best balance bike on the market, the Crito is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you're interested in any of these balance bikes, check out the links in the description below for more details. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. See you in the next video.